Okay, we're going to really quickly look at a couple of reasons why you really ought to have a Google account set up. If you don't already have a Google account set up, then head on over to google.co.uk or google.com. We'll do the signing up in a moment. First thing I'm going to do here though is I'm going to install the Google Chrome web browser. There's a couple of reasons for that. We'll show that in a moment. So I'm going to go ahead here, install Google Chrome. I'm going to download it. And we're going to follow the instructions that appear on screen for downloading Google Chrome. So again, this is on a Mac. I'll show you in a moment how to do it on a PC. So if you have a Windows PC, you want to skip straight to that part, then feel free. So here's my Google Chrome, there's my icon. I'm going to drag it into my applications folder. I actually already have one, so I'm just going to replace that. That's fab. So I've now got the Google Chrome web browser installed on my Mac. So I'm going to just eject and I'm going to close my Safari browser. I'm going to head over into applications and here's my Google Chrome browser. So let's fire it up. Okay, so the first thing it's asking me is, do I want to sign in and sync? Okay, so here's where if I don't have a Google account, I can create a Google account from here. So I put my details in, sign up for a Google account, sorted. If we go back to the sign in, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sign in with an account which I've been using on Google Chrome for some time. So and it's going to do some pretty amazing things as soon as I have signed in. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Okay, when I sign in, it's now going to synchronize with information that I have on other computers. Okay, so what I have here is I can synchronize my bookmarks history and passwords and all sorts with other computers. The beauty of this is that when I switch devices, so when I switch from my home Mac to my school Mac to a Windows PC to an iPad, everything that I have in my browser is replicated across all of those devices. So basically it stops me having to remember lots of things. All of these tabs that are opening are because I have lots of little different extensions. All these little extensions to Google Chrome allow me to do a variety of different things. I'm not going to go into those in detail today, but those can be incredibly helpful too. You can see all my bookmarks have appeared. So all the bookmarks that I'm using on my home PC, synchronizing with my my school Mac, and if I make changes here, they synchronize back. They appear on my home Mac, and they'll also appear on my iPad, which we'll look at in a moment. So there we go. I've got my Google Chrome set up. It's synchronizing all my data. Let's quickly have a look at that in Windows. So again, we're going to fire up the internet, and we're going to head over to Google. And we're going to install Google Chrome. So there's the Windows installation process. We're going to run that. So we've installing Google Chrome. So when Google Chrome has installed on your Windows PC, again, you go through the same process. You're going to log in with your Google ID. And when it does that, it's going to sync up all my information. So all my bookmarks are going to come in, my passwords will be saved, etc., and all my extensions will be loaded up in Google Chrome on my Windows PC, as well as on my Mac and on my iPad, which we'll look at in a moment. So here's my iPad. Google Chrome is available as a web browser on your iPad. Again, if it's not there, if you haven't already installed, do a search on the App Store, Google Chrome. There's the app. I can download the app. Once it's on my iPad, open it up. I've already signed in on my Google Chrome here, so this is a tab where I've got all my bookmarks. So these are my bookmarks from my that are available to me on my Mac, on my PC, and also on my my iPad. I can also see any tabs that I have open on any of. So there's the Windows PC that I had opened a moment ago, listed here. Scroll down. These are some tabs I had open on my school Mac. So any of those tabs I can click on, and it's going to open the same page on my iPad. So there's Google Chrome on the iPad, on the Mac, and on the PC.